Hello class, good morning to you. Nice to meet you once again, ladies and gentlemen. And today's topic, we are going to see how you can solve simultaneous equation in two unknown, right? So remember, last time we was dealing with the linear equation. Now today, it is like combination of two equations. And we are going to see some of the method that you can use to solve the system of linear equation. They are like three methods, and among those methods you are going to learn one of them. It is elimination method. First of all, what is linear? What is a simultaneous equation? It is a system of equation for which two equations that you are given, you are going to look for a solution. We need to find the solution. It means it is a system of equation for which we need to find solution, right? And there are three methods that you shall use to solve such system like this one. We have elimination method. We shall also learn how you can use Cramer's method. We shall also see how you can use substitution methods, right? And just let us start by our topics of today. It is simultaneous equation in two unknown, and the method that you are going to learn today, it is elimination methods, right? So let us see some of examples. We are going to see some like 4 examples. Then after you do around 5 exercises, the same way you shall do. We are going to do these examples. So the first example says use elimination method to solve the following simultaneous equation. Number one, we have 8x plus y, which is equal to 21. And 5x minus 4y equals to negative 10. So how can you solve such system like this one? Remember, the method that we are going to use is elimination method. So this system, we want to eliminate one of these two variables, x or y. So let us choose to eliminate which variable, y. So we are looking for a number that we can multiply on first equation 1, so that when we add on the second equation, y and this y will cancel each other. So let us choose a number that we can multiply on equation 1 or first equation, so that it can eliminate y. So we are going to choose, let us choose here 4 and here 1. The equation becomes 32x when you multiply 4 here, plus 4 times y, it is 4y, right? Plus what? This is 84, isn't it? So now, when you multiply 1 on this equation 2 or the second equation, it will gonna be 5x minus 4y equals to negative 10. So when we add the first equation by the second, this one will give us what? This one will give us 7x. And this will cancel each other. So we shall remain with what class? We shall remain with 74. So 37x equals to 74. So when you are going to look for x here, we shall take 37 divided by 37. When you divide 37 here, also there we shall divide by 37, right? So x here This is x. X will be equal to how much class? It is equal to this 74 divided by 37, it is 2. So this is the value of x. How can we find the another variable y? So we shall take the value of x here and substitute in one of these two equations. Let us choose which one? Let us choose the first. Let us choose the first. Okay? Let us take x and substitute it in first equation. It's gonna be 8 times x is 2, and then plus y equals to what? Equals to 21, isn't it? Then this gives us what? This gives us 16 plus y, and this gives us 21. So we are looking for what? We are looking for the value of y. The value of y equals to 21 minus 16. So y equals to what class? It is, this is 5. 21 minus 16 is 5. So this is the value of y that you was looking for. So when you are going to write, because you use elimination method to solve, there is a word here, solve, to solve. You have to end up with this solution set. So which one is the solution set? Solution set, it is a couple of two numbers and it starts from x. X is 2, another one is 5. Okay, this is a solution set. Are you satisfied with the way we deal this question? Alright. So now let us try the second question. The second question says they have changed the variable. Here you had x and y, but here we have a and b. So, but the way it is, the method is the same, elimination. So let us take 2a plus 3b equals to 5, and 3a here plus 2b equals to 10. So we are going to search a number that you can multiply here and here, so that we can eliminate one of the variable. Let us choose to eliminate b. So it means here we can multiply 2 here and negative 3 here, isn't it? So when you multiply 2 here, this first equation will be what? It will be 4a plus 6b equals to 10, isn't it? So second equation will be 9, that have negative a, negative 6b equals to negative how much? Negative 30. So now this will cancel each other, and it shall remain with what? It shall remain with 5. 5 what? 5a equals to 10 minus 30, it is negative how much? This is negative 20, but here also 4a minus 9a, it is negative 5a, right? So how can we find a? A here, 5a, you can divide it by negative 5. If you divide it here, negative 5, we shall also divide it to negative 5 in the other side. Right? So we shall remain with what? We shall remain with the a, and then here negative, it's going to be positive. 20 over 5, it is how much? It is 4. So the value of a here is 4. So we are going also to substitute the value of a in one of these two equations. You can choose the first or the second. Let us choose the let us try to choose number 2, equation 2. So we shall, it's gonna be what? 3 a plus 2b equals to 10. We know the value of 8 is 4, so it is 3 times 4 plus 2b equals to 10, right? And then 3 times 4 gives us 12, and plus 2b equals to 10. So 2b equals to what? Equals to 10. Let us take 12 in other side. It's going to be negative 12, isn't it? So 2b equals to what? Equals to negative 2. 10 minus 12, it is 2, right? And then, how can you find b? 2b equals to negative 2. Let us multiply here 2, and also it's multiply 2 there. So the value of b here equals to what? This gives us negative 1. So this is the value of b. And we shall write the solution set the same way it is this. Solution set, it is, we start from a. It is a couple of two numbers. One is 4, another one is negative 1. So this is the solution set for such question like this one. Okay, let us continue. This is the third question. So, and they have already changed the value, the variables. It is no longer x, it is no longer a and b. Now we have n and m. Which one starts? As it starts by m. Let us try to arrange this system. How can we arrange this system? We can arrange this in this way. Okay. Yes. It's gonna be negative 3m and negative 3m plus 4n. This 4n equals to how much? Equals to this 2. Now, let us take this 2m in the right hand side. It's gonna be negative 2m. Now, plus 2n, and this is equal to how much? If we take 1 in the other side, it's going to change the side. This is negative 1. Right? So, let us try to eliminate one of these variable m or n. Which one can you choose? You can choose to eliminate m. Let's eliminate m. So, we are going to multiply here by 2 and here by negative 3. So it's gonna be here negative 6m plus this is 8, right? This is 8 equals to, I'm multiplying by 2. 8n equals to 4, right?
I'm sorry.
Let us multiply this this number negative 3 here. It will be plus 6m. If you multiply minus 3 here, it will be negative 8, negative 6. And this is equal to how much? Negative. Negative gives us positive 3. Is it okay? Now this will give us what? So when you add the first equation by the second, this will cancel each other. We remain with 2. 2 n equals to 7, right? And to get n, we divide the 7 by this number 2. So the value of n here, equals to 7 out of 2. 7 over 2. Now, let us find the value of m. We substitute one in one of the two equations, in one of these equations. Let us choose the first one. The first one. How? 4, it says 4n minus 3. M equals to 2. The first 4n minus 3m equals to 2. The value of n here, it was 7 over 2. We shall take 4 times 7 over 2, then minus 3m equals to 2. So let us simplify 4 by 2. We shall remain with 2 up. Up is 2. Then when you take 2 times 7, it is 14. 14 minus 3m equals to 2. Right? We are looking for m. And negative 3m here equals to 2 minus 14. take 14 in the other side. So negative 3m, good. This is 3, negative, equals 2. What is the answer here? The answer here, 2 minus 14, it is negative 12. So let us multiply here negative 3 and here negative 3. M will be equal to how much? For 12 over 3 equals to 4, isn't it? So this is the value. This is the value of M. Is that okay? To write the solution set, remember, the way we write solution set is a couple of M and N. It is 4 and 7 over 2. This is the solution set. Is that okay? Okay. Let's also see how we can solve question number 4. Oh, it is not arranged because we start from X. I try to arrange them. Or you can even do it in this way. So this system, it is y minus 2x equals to 2. 2y minus 4x equals to negative 3. Like 3. Which number that we can multiply on the first and the second, then we eliminate y? Which one? You can put here 2 and here negative 1. So it is how much? This gives us 2y minus 4x equals to 4. Is it clear? Yes. Now, this and this will give us negative 2y minus, this is plus because it is negative 4x equals to how much? When you take negative and negative, it gives us positive, it is 3. So when you try to add the first and the second, look, 2y minus 2y will cancel each other. Negative 4x, this is 0, isn't it? This is 0x. 0x equals to how much? 7. Can you find a number that you can multiply on 0 and you get 7? It is not possible. So it is impossible. So if it is not possible, it means we can't get solution. So it means no solution. We can't get a solution for such system like this one. It means all the system it's not mean that all the system have the solutions. So thank you for today, and try to do the exercise, the 5 exercises that I gave you, and next time we shall look how we can apply this system in daily life problems. See you. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.
Bye.